Welcome to Java Forum. Now I am going to show you how to set static IP address using nmstatectl command in Red Hat Enterprise Linux 8. So nmstatectl is a separate command that does not come default. So we need to install the nmstatectl binaries. So all the packages are available in the Red Hat Enterprise Linux 8 DVD itself. So let me show the packages. So these are the packages: nmstate, nmstatelibs, nmstate, Python 3-lib nmstate. So these are the packages required by nmstatectl. Okay, so let me open the terminal, switch as a root user. So I already installed nmstatectl command. So nmstatectl show will give you a list of the network interfaces. So Ethernet ENS 160. So Ethernet 1 ENS 160 only we are going to modify for the static IP address. So it already has a static IP address. So we are going to modify the static IP address. Okay. Let me show you how to modify the static IP address using nmstatectl. So just type nmstatectl edit ENS 160. That is network interface name. So come down. Okay, so here you can see IP v4. So below that you can see address. So I am changing this address 190.168.206.10. Okay, save that. That's it. So once you save it, you can see that network interface is automatically restarted. So no manual restart required. So let me type IP address. Yes, you can see that latest IP address 190.168.206.10 is got reflected. So this is the way we need to set static IP address using nmstatectl command. Let me check from host machine. Yes, I can ping from host machine to Red Hat Enterprise Linux 8 virtual machine after setting static IP in using nmstatectl command. Yes, I can able to ping from